Chenab Valley, traditionally known as Chandrabhaga, the valley of River Chenab. It has got a rich cultural heritage and best of ethical values, an old-age tradition of secularism and tolerance, despite the fact that Chenab Valley is generating more than 1,000 megawatts of electricity per day, but the people of these districts remain still in dark ages. The roads are in terrible condition and vehicle movement also remains dangerous in all seasons. In spite of all these difficulties, village Breswana in Doda kindles a hope for tomorrow. It was very difficult for the crew to reach over there as there is no motorable road available. Ponies and horses are the modes of transportation. Reaching the spot was a dream fulfilled. A school with all infrastructures in position was waiting for us to unfold the story of success.
In the name of God, the most gracious, the most gracious, the most merciful, the most merciful.
The story of struggle and above all the story of commitment.
And bring none of those who go astray. Amen. Amen.
And Sabah Haji becomes a torch bearer to light the path for hundreds of young students who aspire to have a good schooling in this far-flung area of the state. Sabah Haji, a young educationist, a young bisocial, a young bi-driver for a huge metamorphosis.
Chauvinism, anything else that anyone can think of? How to explain?
Really bad to think about someone.
If you know the answer, that is fantastic. Keep it to yourself. Yes, Madrid. Look
She
at
has
that.
chosen something which truly belongs to her and she truly belongs to it. She doesn't just belong to this school. She belongs to this place, this village, this way of life, everything. And I think that is why it is so effective. So I think my learning or what I take from her as a person is that find your true calling, find what you belong to, find what your heart and soul is into and follow that.
They are manufactured in India, China, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and they are using child labor in these countries. And the richest people in the world are buying those clothes for cheap. I want you to read and understand each word. This is what child labor is. It is the,
You know, like in English they say you look up to a person. She's somebody like that I would look up to. Everything that she has done, the way she runs the school, her persona, her personality, the way she handles the kids, the volunteers, everything. I mean, I think she's an amazing person. She has patience, she has determination. She is also extremely smart and knowledgeable. So all of these things, I think they are qualities that make a person that make an amazing personality, and she has everything.
from a child in Kashmir in a factory shop. Again, smaller hands can work.
Sabah Haji was born and raised in Dubai. She completed her education and worked in Bangalore for almost a decade. But her real mission was waiting for her in village Breswana.
Supplying them to infertile couples.
Oh my God, a doctor has been stealing babies and selling them to other people. Terrible. In Madrid, where is Madrid? Don't answer in a group.
I was born and raised in Dubai. My parents were working there. We were there from the 80s till the 2000s. I left Dubai in 97 to go to Bangalore for my 11th and 12th, and at Bishop Cotton's, and I did my college there, my BCom. After that I worked for almost 10 years, yes, till 2008 I was in Bangalore. On and off, it was first I was doing my CA articleship, and then I quit that and I went for writing and editing and so on in a firm. I had a very nice few experiences in a few firms, and I just was not comfortable living in the city anymore away from the family, and I wanted to come back and be with my parents. As a family, we were sitting together, and when this idea came up that let's start a school.
She wanted to do something more better. तो यहाँ आके फिर उसने पढ़ लिया है ना सब कुछ कि कैसा चल रहा है, हमारा पढ़ाई अच्छी नहीं जा रही है, बच्चे जनरेशंस ज़ाया हो रही हैं. But she she had just observed it.
She had a dream to have such an educational institute there in her native land, which would create fine nuances of education, which would become a hope of future for the whole area. She moved back to her native village, Breswana, in 2008. This, in fact, was her Karm Bhumi, and she started a small school there on the top of a hillock.
अभी हमारे दिमाग में ये चल रहा था, अच्छा हाँ ठीक है सोचेंगे यही करेंगे, तो तब तक गांव वालों को किसी तरीके से भिनक लग गई कि ये शायद सोच रहे हैं कि यहाँ स्कूल खोलें बच्चों के लिए.
यहाँ पे तालीम की बहुत कमी थी, यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट स्कूल की में पढ़ाई बहुत कम थी मिलिटेंसी की वजह से यहाँ पे. तो हमने हाजी साहब से अर्ज़ की कि हमारे बच्चे आगे के लिए हैं, क्योंकि हम गरीब लोग हैं, हम आगे नहीं जा सकेंगे, शहरों में हमारे बच्चे नहीं पढ़ सकेंगे. तो उन्होंने ये एकेडमी यहाँ पे खोली जिसका हाजी पब्लिक स्कूल नाम रखा गया.
4th of May 2009 was our first day. The school, there was nothing here. It's a very simple farming village, mostly poor people, and there's a government school in every village as usual, but पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही थी.
I will check the name.
According to Abdul, he had it, and according to Abdul, he cut it off.
No, sir.
Then what?
Sir, I found it.
Haji Public School began its operations on 4th of May 2009 from the village Breswana, the ancestral home of Sabah Haji. The school started with 2 classes lower and upper kindergarten with 2 teachers and 35 students studying in rooms of Haji Cottage.
कोई 35 बच्चे थे. Some kids had joined from higher classes, वो KG में आ गए थे दाखिले के लिए, because they wanted to get a good base again.
Today, the same students who were admitted to lower kindergarten reached to 8th grade.
Look at me, I'm talking from such a stupid place. I'm stupid. I'm going to a dhaba and there's a kid there, and because I'm from this world and I have got my privileges and my family let me do everything and I don't have to worry, I've gone to school and I've had a normal life, right? Whereas this kid's normal is very different. उनको खाना नहीं होता होगा, उनको you know, their survival would have been difficult.
2010, I had my first volunteer. She was from Canada, but originally from the Czech Republic. She came here as a traveler. She said, and she wanted a local guide. So I knew her on the internet. I said, okay, why don't you come here? She wanted to see Doda, Kishtwar, वगैरह. I took her to Kishtwar and then I said, now you come and see our school. So she came up. It was primarily social media. It's because of the internet that people have started coming. I started using Twitter heavily around 2010. तो उससे ज़रा जम्मू कश्मीर में and in the rest of India थोड़ी base बन गई मेरी. Like a lot of people started or got in touch with me, and then on my Twitter feed I started putting in 1 or 2 pictures of the school and kids and our stories. They're very good stories from the school and it's pretty, so it looks good on the internet. And more people started getting interested in the school. Number one was, is it safe and ye kahan pe hai? Now when people from outside have started coming in, so it gives the others a little ki hai pehle bhi ho aaye hain rahe. So in 2012 I said no, it needs to get serious. To reach here is very difficult. So if people come for 10 days or 15 days, it is of no use to me in a school. 1-2 दिन उनको settle होने में लगते हैं. Bringing them up and taking them down is a very big expense. So then I created a 3-month volunteer program minimum. This is in 2012. And I asked for my first 2 volunteers and we got 2 boys who were ready to spend at least 3 months. Even before they left, someone else had contacted us from South Africa. We had Safia and Madhuri from the US had returned. So that's my core team started building, and their experiences, and they were very good on the internet. Again, that helped us. They had very good photographs, they had good things to say. And they were very good for the school. We were, I think, till 4th grade or something back then. It has worked very well because the instruction is you have to bring the world to the children. इनको कुछ नहीं पता, they are from this village, they have most of them never been out, their parents also don't know too much. Start bringing that in slowly, and just the mix of volunteers, we've had different parts of India, different parts of the world, they come with different technology, their own cultures, their accents, their clothes, everything is something that the kids learn.
Come on. 1, 2, 1.
Their team, not theirs. Yes. You win? Here. Start. Everyone on the court, you can't be down.
When I had an opportunity, that's the first thing that I did was I emailed Sabha and I was like, I would love to come and teach. I have no teaching experiences with school kids. I have taught college kids, but not school kids, which is a completely different educational system and instruction. And she was like, come over. There is always a place for volunteers. And after coming here and meeting the kids, you can't help but fall in love with this place because the kids are smart, they're very sharp, they're willing to do things with you, they're willing to work with you and they're so accommodating because every 6 months volunteers change, but they take it in their stride. And you look at city kids who have had the same kind of education, the same kind of teachers for a whole year, and I'm pretty sure these kids will match up with them. To learn in such adverse conditions, you want to go above and beyond for the kids.
I've been working in FM radio for over 10 years. I have been handling programming and creative department in FM radio for a long time. I have been following Sabha on Twitter, and that's how I know what she has been doing. I read about her on and off wherever it appears. And I was very interested in doing some volunteer work, and I chose this because I was on a sabbatical, and for me, it was as much as about learning for myself as what I'll be able to teach. I still don't know whether I'm teaching more or I'm learning more. I think I'm learning more here, and not with just the school, the way they live, the whole village, and even the education that children are getting here. It is in truest of sense not just limited to the classrooms and the syllabus books. They learn about the world news, they learn about how they can make an opinion about news. So when we discuss news, we talk about this you can make an opinion about, this is what clear-cut right or wrong. They are taught really about landfill, pollution, how to keep your village clean.
Tell yourself, okay, I can do it, I can be excellent. You know, when your teachers tell you, make your work perfect.
I wanted to work at a place where the expectations would be clearly spelt out, and the document that I saw online for Haji Public School seemed to have all the work that the volunteers needed to do chalked out, and I decided that this would be the right place for me. Having come here, it felt right from the very beginning. It was like a home to me from the very beginning itself. It's not just the place I work at, it's also the people around here. And Saba and her family have created a space where people from all across the country come and they find a home here for a few months.
Jar.
At least you could have done it this way.
What? Tell me.
What?
Trojans.
Not.
No, but she can't. Also JANS. Trojan opener. Trojan. But what is badge?
Whatever.
It's a badge. I'm making Punjab.
Something no.
The village has changed, some of the community, they've opened up, and a lot of those prejudices, especially religious and ethnic and just bahar ke log वगैरह, just the way they think about them has completely changed. It's been now 10 years we have been running the school, तो बहुत ज़्यादा change आई है. The people really welcome the volunteers, and it's become very comfortable for everyone here.
बाहर से लोग आने लगे और उनके साथ भी यहाँ के लोगों का बहुत तालमेल हुआ, और जिससे मतलब यहाँ के लोगों की भी तरक्की बहुत होगी.
जब पहली बार कोई वॉलंटियर आ रहे थे तो हमको ये भी पता नहीं था कि टॉयलेट क्या होता है. हम जाट आदमी थे. आजकल तो हम अब लगभग बहुत कुछ जान रहे हैं. अब इनके साथ रह के थोड़ी बहुत अंग्रेज़ी भी जान लेते हैं.
The school has more than 450 students on its rolls and permanent local staff of more than 20 teachers and a running roster of dozens of teaching volunteers from different parts of the country.
Cost present, there is a loss.
Exchange your sweaters later. 12 days only. Can't you study for 12 days?
We are 2 teachers, then we have at least 20 permanent staff now, and permanent at least 8 to 10 volunteers per term. हमारे बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा फिट हैं, वेरी टफ. सो वी आर एट 7,500 feet ये गाँव, दिस स्कूल. Children come from a village much below. All the villages here are like this. There is no plain route, ऊपर या नीचे आना होता है. Some children come from 1.5-2 hours away, उनको डेली ऊपर चढ़ना होता है, और वो KG से आते आ रहे हैं. If they can't walk, their parents will carry them. बहुत छोटे बच्चों को अक्सर पेरेंट्स उठा के लाते हैं, but they come daily. One of the requirements of my school is you will be regular and you will never miss school. It is unbelievable कितना वो physical करते हैं एक दिन में.
मुझे लगता है कि दैट्स वेरी इंस्पिरेशनल. ये बहुत लोगों को प्रेरणा देने वाली कहानी है, मतलब दे सकती है, और आई एम श्योर दे भी रही है बहुत लोगों को पूरी दुनिया में, क्योंकि उन्होंने अपना जो कहते हैं एकदम शाइनिंग करियर जो हो रहा था बैंगलोर में, वो छोड़ के वो वहाँ यहाँ आ गई. और मेरी भी ऐसी मन से इच्छा है कि शायद जब मैं बड़ी हो जाऊँ मैं भी ऐसा कुछ कर पाऊँ.
School is 9 o'clock in the summer or 10 o'clock in the winter. Then we have preparation for assembly. I need my news, daily news. We have around 15-20 minutes of current affairs and news for sure.
Was also found by the Parsi community in 1774.
Correct answer.
So I'll come home, thoda, maybe 1 or 2 hours relaxing. I'll try to read and all, but generally not. We start working again. I need, I have to be on the internet, accounts करने होते हैं, emails बहुत होती हैं, उनको ज़रा follow up करना. And I generally work till late into the night. So it's a mix of social media, then some time off, कभी reading, कभी थोड़ा TV देख लूँ. But at night it's quiet, internet ज़रा fast होता है. Then the work starts. But in general, this is the space. And then outside or school, whatever, volunteers के साथ meetings होती हैं out after school, or to plan for the future, some new activity.
Breswana is a typical Himalayan village, cut off from world.
Duna ma abud wala ana abidum tabat yada avilav fawailul likulli lilmusallin musallin al
In such a remote village, Haji family intends to make education accessible to the inaccessible. This was the dream of Sabah Haji, which drove her from the comforts to a very hard life. But she accomplished it and is running a non-profitable school.
The big thing was our 8th standard में boards जब हुए पहली बार, हमारे सारे the full batch got, even the weakest student got 80% and most of them got above 90%.
इस वक्त पता चला कि 90% एक गांव का लड़का सिटी में जाके ले गया 10th में, जबकि वहाँ के बच्चे उतने नंबरात नहीं ले सके. तो इस वक्त मुझे ये अंदाज़ा है और खुश हूँ मैं कि ऐसी एजुकेशन आगे होनी चाहिए.
I was studying in Haji Public with my friends and teachers going on. Very nicely I studied there, and I was for 7 years I topped the school, I topped my class, and staying as a head boy for the school for 4 years. And after that I did 8th from school. I ranked top in 8th and went to Kishtwar. I gave a good result.
सबा जी का ही तो यहाँ सब कुछ कमाल है. अगर ये ना होते यहाँ तो अब भी यहाँ अंधेरा होता, क्योंकि वो है भी कि एजुकेशन ऐसा है कि ये इंसान को अंधेरे से निकाल कर रोशनी में लाता है. तो ये पहली बार हुआ, 2009 से ही लोगों की आंखें खुली है एजुकेशन की तरफ. ज़्यादा था इधर की दौड़ जो थी लोगों तक कि इतना जहन में था कि मैट्रिक पास करना है, कैसे करना है, क्यों करना है मैट्रिक बस. लेकिन अभी तो मैट्रिक 12th बच्चों के जहन में है ही नहीं. अभी छोटे जो बच्चे हैं 5th और 6th में हाजी पब्लिक स्कूल के, वो तो PhD के चक्कर में है, MB BCom के उसमें चक्कर में है. अभी उन्होंने अपना एम बना लिया.
Chemicals and pesticides in agriculture of working with dangerous machinery.
In these circumstances, from these families where there is no atmosphere or no environment to study properly, that they manage to do so well, and they're speaking They speak English fluently. They are confident children. They are good children.
But the caged bird sits on the grave of dreams. His shadow shouts on a nightmare scream.
इस स्कूल से हमारे को बहुत फ़ायदा मिला। बाहर के गांव से भी लोग उन्हें बच्चे लाए।
इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश स्कूल है, सब कुछ अच्छी तरह से है, बहुत अच्छा है और मैंने भी स्कूल में ज्वाइन किया।
I don't read the dictionary meaning to me, but understand it. You know, you're hearing exploitation.
They have been told things that they can do at home which will make a difference. So they are really being taught about a sustainable way of life and something which will really make a better world. So I think when Sabha says that education makes a difference, she is really living it as an example day after day by the way these kids are being taught.
Successfully to change the lives of hundreds of young students who aspire for good schooling so that they can compete in equal grounds with the rest of the world.